Let's get stuck right into this question. In part A, you're asked to decide if this is an odd or an even function. The easy thing is the test starts the same way for both of them. You're going to start by replacing minus x into your formula. So in the case of f of 1 of x is equal to 3 over x squared plus 2. I'm going to start by replacing x with minus x. So that's going to be 3 over, and I'm going to replace that here with minus x. So that is where I'm going to start. I'm going to start on the left and I'm going to work way straight down. So I know that minus x squared is x squared plus 2. And then on the final step, you're going to compare it back to the original function. Your final calculation should be rewriting f of minus x in terms of either f of x or minus f of x. Now if I compare it here, I can see that's exactly the same, all the signs are the same as f1x. So I know that f1 of minus x is equal to f1 of x. So if I compare, I know that I am with an even function. Let's move on and check the second function. Okay, I'm going to start looking at the second function the same way as the previous one. I'm going to take the formula and I'm going to replace x with minus x. So every x is going to change into a minus x. Okay. In this case here, I know that x minus x cubed will be minus 2x cubed, and this double minus will make a plus 4x. Now remember, I need to write my final answer in terms of f2x. So I'm going to factor the minus out. Why? Because I want to put this inside the bracket. That double minus will make the plus. And my final line needs to be replacing this with f of x, or f2 of x. You see, it matches perfectly. This is exactly the same as this. The only difference are the signs are opposite. That's another way of thinking about it. So I know that f2 of minus x is equal to minus f2 of x, and I know therefore that that is an odd function. I could have taken a shortcut with these questions because I know if I raise something negative to an even power, the minuses will cancel out. Whereas if I have, for example, x cubed, x5, odd powers, when I replace it, they won't cancel out. Okay? So this would be then minus x cubed minus x to the 5 minus x to the 7. So that's a little trick. Even powers will be even, odd powers will be odd. Okay, let's get cracking on the part B in our next video.